The 1964 Civil Rights Act has been law for over half a century, and there's still confusion about how it works. At this police review board meeting in June, the board members were asking for data as to how the police department was doing with their impartial policing and implicit bias training.
If we put out a fair and impartial policing measure, we'd be doing better year on year.
I would say so. If it was something that was easily measurable, yes.
At the macro level or the department level, has this helped the police department? Has this made us more impartial?
I would say it has.
Do we have data?
Board Member Mishra, here's your data.
1964.
So in Kansas, a business has any right to tell people no, that we're not going to serve you anymore and that we don't want you here.
Even
Like,
like,
for any
so if they're
reason.
black,
There doesn't have to be any reason.
if they're black,
There doesn't have to be a reason.
so the civil
They
rights
don't-
doesn't apply.
They
There's a
don't
difference.
have to serve you.
There's a
They're
difference,
a
officer.
business. They're a business. They don't
Yes,
have to give us a
but
reason
they
that they
are
don't want you
open
here.
for a public domain.
And they can say no, you cannot come in here.
Could they do it if we were black?
Sure, they
Okay,
could.
and
I'm
gay,
not saying I agree with
and
that.
gay and lesbian and all that stuff.
Yeah,
Okay.
100%.
They could say.
In there and they could say I don't.
There's no debate that the officers cannot enforce federal law, but for them to stand there and say that the law does not apply or does not exist is not correct. Injunctive relief against discrimination in public places of accommodation is Title II, Section 201 of the 1964 Civil Rights Act. Under Section B, each of the following establishments who serves the public is a place of public accommodation within the meaning of its title. And number 2, any restaurant, cafeteria, lunchroom, lunch counter. Do you guys remember the lunch counter protests? Guys, this is history. It's codified. At least educate the public. Let's not deny that the laws exist.